Hey guys, it's Alfie here, and today we're going to be doing a 100k pack opening on the FIFA World Cup. And me and my mate who's filming today have made some predictions. So I'm going to start off with his predictions. We've made 5 predictions each. So number 1, in Joe's predictions, we have got Manuel Neuer. Number 2, Marco Reus. Number 3, Robin van Persie. Number 4, Marcelo. And number 5, Thiago Silva. And these are my predictions. Number 1, I got PK. Number 2, I got Buffon. Number 3, I got Robin. Number 4, I got Diego Costa. And number 5, I got Chiellini. Well, hopefully I can get some of these good players. And so, let's start. So, as you can see, I've got 705k. And we're going to be going to 605k. And don't forget to subscribe to me for more FIFA videos. So here we go. Here's the first one. Right, come on. I have a feeling this might start off quite good. Right, skip this one. Vidal! That's a very good player. Right, I've had his team this season and he is quite a good player. Got Insigne. Yeah, so we started off with a bang. That's quite good. While I'm doing this video, I just want to say you can check out my friend's video who's filming this. His channel is Millwall Forever 123, and he may be doing videos in the future. So that one we didn't get very good. So I'll just redeem the pack, store everyone in club, and carry on. So this is our third pack. Come on, let's get some good in this one. I think we're gonna skip it again, and we do, and we get don't think that's anyone good. Let's redeem the pack and go on. We'll quick sell that. Right, so we're going on to the next one. Oh, come on. Come on. Skip. Oh, this Sciglio has quite good pace for a left back. That might go for a little bit. I'll just store it all to club anyway. So my best is at 86 so far. Come on. I'm going to leave this one to run. Come on. Oh, who's that? De Gea? Guess that's not okay. Goalkeeper. Oh, Martin's Indy. I'll redeem this pack. I think the skip packs may be better on this World Cup game, but I'm not too sure. Let's see if it actually does work. Skip. Lucas Leiva. He had a team in the season. Modifier, CM Cam, that might go for a little bit. Storming me up. I've been searching for a 90 rated player for a little while now. I really want this 90 rated player. Hopefully we can get it. Come on. Come on. I'm going to leave this one to run. That wasn't that one very... No, that was a terrible pack. On to the next one. Alright, I'm going to skip this with my nose. Skip. Isco, 83 rated cam. That's quite good. Yeah, so I'll store that to club as well. And quick sell the rest. On to the next one. Alright, I don't think we're going to look for this one. Alright, this is a no look pack. And I'm looking in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, we didn't get no one good. Right, on to the next 5k one. We're on 660. I think this is gone 655 now. Come on, someone good, and we get Donovan. So I'll redeem that free pack, store it to club, and quick sell the rest. Yeah, as I said already, I really want this 90 rated player. I really want like Messi or Ronaldo. Let's try and get it. Need this one to run. Marquez. Muller! Yes! That's a very good player. 87 rated right mid. Yes, I'm happy with that. Yes. That is very good. I've got Oxlade Chamberlain as a duplicate. So yeah, this is very good. I've got 87 and 86, so yeah. Seems to be, I think we could have an improvement on this one. Let's try. Come on. Need this one to run again. Who was that? Oh no, no one good. Never mind. Clean 3 pack. I'm going to store them to club. And then we'll quick sell the rest. So on to the next 5k. Still got a little while left now. So let's see who we can get this. Skip. Hart, Joe Hart. That is quite good. I'll redeem this pack and we get the Columbia kit there. That's quite a nice kit. So we've got 640k now. On to the next one. And we get Skip. Ah, no one good there. Roy Hudson, we've had him a lot of times. Send the water club. And then quick sell the rest. On to the next one. Come on. I feel that this is going to be a good pack. Honda. And we got the goalkeeper that has done well. He got subbed off against who was it? I think it was against Costa Rica. Yeah. And we'll quick sell that. 5k again. 625 I think this will bring us down to. Yeah. Then we'll leave this one to run. Oh, who was that? Sergio Busquets. Oh yes, that is a good. That's actually quite good, that pack. Oh yeah. Oh, we got the Brazilian manager as well. And we got Roy Hudson again, as the cameraman did just show you. Yeah, so that's an 85 rated player. That's good. I think this game would be good with like Bale on it and Ibrahimovic, but obviously they haven't made it to the World Cup this year. But never mind. So we'll go on to the next one, and we're going to leave this one to run. Oh, who was that? No one good on that one. We'll redeem the pack again. And we'll send all the club. And we'll quick sell the rest. Right, so let's go on to the next one. I'm going to skip this one, so get ready. Skip. Barcali as a duplicate, and Martin Zindi. So I'll redeem the pack. Got the Japan kit. Send all to club, and then quick sell this. So we've got 2 more packs left. Let's see who we can get. Hopefully that 90 rated player that I've been searching for. Right, skip again. Garay. Yes, that's okay. We got a Spain kit as well. Redeem this pack. Louis Van Gaal as well. Going to Man United as well. So yeah, right, this is our last one for today. So let's do a nose pack. Alright, should we skip this one? No, I think I'll leave it to run this one. Alright, come on. Let's see who we can get in this one. No one good. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you later.